Isn't that a nice blue? What a stunning bike. Luckily, I already fitted the bottom bracket, which was a pain in the ass, I have to say. This is going to be a stealthy machine, I'm sure. What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In this multi-part series we are gonna restore the Chromoly Pacer. We are gonna get this bike powder coated and rebuild. This is going to be a road bike to gravel bike conversion and took me much longer than expected, like 2 months. I think we started in August, September. Now we have October 10th and it's actually a lovely day with lots of sunshine. What's cracking guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to make a 2013 Chromoly road bike into a gravel bike and I can't wait to do it. We have all the parts here lined up and it's been like 2 months since we started the whole project, stripping the bike down from all the parts, get it powder coated. This took 2 weeks. We let it get powder coated in Belgium by Raphael, very nice guy, and we only paid 130 euros for it. I'm really happy with the nice light blue color. Yeah, then I had it sitting for, I don't know, a month or something, because I needed to figure out which parts I'm gonna go for, which parts I'm gonna throw on the bike. And most importantly, I wanted some tires that would lighten up the blue even more. So I went with the Continental Terra Speed 35C chunky tires with knobs, and I think they will look absolutely awesome. They have a creamy sidewall which also looks a bit yellowish, so very nice, and I can't wait to get them on. You can see how they will look already here. I've already test fitted the wheel because I needed to know if the tires will fit, but they will. And here you can see, for example, how it would look like, or how it will look like. And that's what we're gonna do today. And I can't wait to get all the parts back together. And also what's awesome, even the sun has decided to come out and grace us with some sunlight. I appreciate that very much. What we're gonna have to do is a few things. Bought some new stickers. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the original Chromoly Pacer sticker, so I had to go with the Chromoly X Cross, which is around the same area, I think 2014 or something. And yeah, we're gonna throw all the stickers on except the cross-check sticker, because I will try and find if I can find the Pacer. But all the other stickers we're gonna put on there. Therefore we have some alcohol wipes to clean up the frame. Also another challenge will be the cups. I've just coated them with a nice shiny black. Doesn't look too shabby actually, the finish, even though I did myself. We have a cup press as well. I managed to get a hold of a cup press. So first we're gonna put all the stickers on, then we put on the cups. Luckily, I already fitted the bottom bracket, which was a pain in the ass, I have to say. Somehow, yeah, some paint got inside the bottom bracket. I really had to use a sharp knife to get all the paint out. Then at some point we were able to fit it on without cross-fitting it or anything. So I was very careful there. Didn't want to break it, of course. One tip for you, be careful with the bottom bracket. Don't cross-fit it, otherwise you could risk the whole frame. Yeah, we're also going with some nice black handlebar tape, which is also a bit shiny. So excited to see how that looks out, but this is going to be a stealthy machine, I'm sure. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot, the fork. It's still inside. I should get it before we start, one step after the other. I hope I will be able to get it done until evening. So without further ado, let's crack on and get this bike together. I can't wait. enjoying myself. It's riding as smooth as ever. So we had a little bit of gravel already and it did fine. However, the big section is coming up, so we'll see about that. We made it. We made it, guys. Not so easy with one hand. Whew, made it. It's just so beautiful here, isn't it? We need to protect those kind of areas, which is almost untouched by humans. There are lots of seas and lakes around this place and lots of gravel and mud. So perfect for gravel biking, perfect for the Shirley Pacer. Awesome, right? Alright, we're back now with the bike after the ride, and now it's looking very dirty, but I would say it's gravel approved now, surely. And what we have to do now is clean it before we go to the final conclusion and the outro of this video series. All right, 1, 2, 3. Looking much better already, doesn't it? All right, so I will wipe this down now, clean it a bit, and then I will catch you for the outro. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video series.